Okay, in this session, we're going to be looking again at solving linear equations. As we looked at last lesson, to solve linear equations, what we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. So the examples we used in the last session was this, where we added 2 to both sides, added x plus 2 equals 14, subtract 2 from both sides, we get 12. In this one, where we had minus 2, we added 2 to both sides, which gave us 16. This one, when we have multiplication, so 2 times x equals 14, we divide both sides by 2, which gives us 7. And finally, we looked at the process where if we're dividing by 2, what we do to one side to balance it up, we do to the other side. So we multiplied both sides by 2, so x was 28. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at two-step equations. So if, for example, we have 2x plus 4 equals 14. Okay, so this one, there's a specific order that we need to do things in. As you'll know that there's two parts of this equation, 2 times x plus 4. So this is the times and the plus. We need to do this in basically the reverse operation than what you would do in normal BODMAS. So we need to get rid of the pluses and minuses first. So in this case, we subtract 4 from both sides. And that leaves us with 2x plus 4 minus 4. So the plus 4 and the minus 4 cancel each other out. So we were left with 2x equals 14 minus 4 is 10. Sorry, my writing's a bit scratchy. I'm doing it with a mouse. So now we've still got 2x. So that's just 2 times x. So we're doing the opposite to times. So in this case, we divide both sides by 2. And we get our solution. 2x divided by 2 leaves us with the x. 10 divided by 2 leaves us with 5. So 5 being our answer, we should be able to substitute 5 back into the x in the equation to give us a correct solution. So 2 times x, which is 5. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 4 equals 14. So our equation is correct. If we look at something a little bit more complex, so something with a division in it, x divided by 2, let's go minus 4 equals 14. Same thing again. We have to get rid of the pluses and minuses first, the addition and subtraction. So to get rid of this minus 4 from the x, we add 4 to both sides. So we solve that. Leaves us with x over 2. So minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So that's just x over 2 on that side. And on this side, we've got 14 plus 4, which is 18. So then we've got on this side x divided by 2. So we need to multiply both sides by 2. And we get x divided by 2 times 2 leaves us with x equals 18 times 2, which is 36. So x is equal to 36. If we then substitute the 36 into the equation for the x, 36 divided by 2 is 18, minus 4 is 14.